someone who's looking out for the best interest of
Where?
It's the family. Governor Kelly, live outside Trump Tower. We're getting live pictures of the event. This was Steve Bannon at the news conference. We will bring that to you, of course.
What is it?
What'd you get, Siege? Say thank you.
George W. Bush's transition council. We're going to bring you back.
Didi, don't you want to open this one? The biggest one.
During this transition.
Sharon, are you having clickers now?
No, I don't.
Oh, he was sitting on the one.
The president has to his staff, at least the
Hannah, that's CJ's present.
This is the big one.
Don't lean against the fire when you get burned. Hannah, that's CJ. That's CJ.
Cool, look, you can control it.
Oh my goodness. Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
What is it, Siege?
I'm flying in it. Here, look, look right here.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, wow. A new
Wow, that was fast.
That thing's alive. It's jumping around that box. There must be is there a dog in there? Or a
No.
cat?
No. What is it? What is that? What is it? A box? A box. You want me to help you open the box? Yeah. Here, let me help you. What is it?
What's gotta be
You
in
got a
that
box
box?
for your birthday.
You got a box. You can put it up on the shelf.
But there's something in the box.
Oh, there's something in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I bet you'll be excited for this one.
Wow.
Oh, well, we have to peel it first.
I think you guys are going to be there for 2 hours trying to get into that box. That's what I think.
2 hours.
CJ's losing his interest in that box fast. Hey, Gaga, there'll be something in that box. I'll tell you right now.
I
Or
don't know.
it's going to go into the recheck line.
What is in that box?
Can somebody help us? Yeah. This is hard. Can you help us?
I'm taking the video.
Can you help
Dad, help him out.
Turn the lights on so you can see.
Tape. Papa! Get this thing off. Wait, CJ got it. Get this thing off me. Get this thing off me.
What did you get, love?
I don't know,
Boy, that's a tough one to get into.
Ooh, what? Spider-Man.
It's much fun.
We didn't even open it. CJ, we didn't do. We can still open this one for you.
All right.
CJ,
He's going for the easier one.
Another box. Sorry. What? What? You got another box. For my birthday. Oh, there's something inside my box.
You got 2 boxes, buddy.
I can't have a. Oh no, my hair, please.
Yeah, you're done with the boxes?
Can you?
He's there you go, bud.
What's inside?
Oh my goodness. He loves your gift, Grandma. Wow, a Batman bathrobe. I can't believe it.
DJ, look at all the stuff you got. You got a Spider-Man shirt. Look at the Spider-Man shirt.
boys, you don't want that.
I was just thinking about
See
this.
that? Look, you got the Spider-Man shirt, and you got.
He is there. I mean, it's just.
Oh, look
Because
at
he
the
seems just
boots
like
you got.
defense.